Now we're going to talk about passing down their history, meaning how did these American Indians pass down their traditions or customs? Follow along as I read this. In the past, most California Indians did not have a written language. That means they didn't have letters or alphabets like we do. Instead, they passed down their history through folklore. Folklore is the stories and customs of a group of people. They shared their past through myths and legends. Myths are stories that explain things in nature, and legends are stories about people in the past. California Indians still pass down folklore, myths, and legends today. Let's stop right here. So they would pass down all these stories through talking. So their grandmother would tell their kids, and then the kids will grow up and have their own kids. So stories would be told not through books, but through them telling each other. Let's continue. California Indians have traditions to celebrate their history. A tradition is a special way a group of people does something and that has been passed on to others. For example, some groups, like the Chumash and the Gabrielino, painted or carved pictures on rocks. The pictures often show important events. So look at this picture down here. This was painted or carved inside a cave or on a rock wall. It says right here, this rock art is in the Chumash Painted Cave State Historical Park near Santa Barbara, which is in California. So it's still here today, and you can actually go to the state park and visit and see all these paintings that were done by people many, many years ago. So I want you to take a minute and think about two things most California Indian groups of the past had in common. What were some things that they did that were familiar to all the different Indian tribes out there? So take a minute and think about it.